Welcome. If you want to custom your status in the League of Legends Wild Rift, at the first you have to click right here, then tap on this icon, and we can change our status to online, away, or just click here to custom and just type something like hello guys and click OK. Okay, yeah, we can only use 20 characters, so let's turn it off, then change status. And as you can see, our status has changed, and we can check it by clicking here, and there we get the description of our status that we input before, right? So that's how we can change it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!